It's mom makeup day!
Hi!
This is my mom! Everybody's been asking for some mature makeup, so here you go.
Yeah.
You ready to model, Mom? Ready for your debut?
Oh, here we go. Yeah, anything.
I'm gonna start by using Bright Eyes Concealer under her eyes and blending it with the Duo Fiber Concealer Brush. A little bit goes a long way, so start slow and build from there. This brush is a must because it buffs the product into the skin, which prevents creasing. I am also going to use this as an eyeshadow base and blend it with the same Duo Fiber Concealer Brush. Next, I'm applying Cream Beige Mineral Photo Touch Foundation using the Duo Fiber Foundation Brush. A little tip is to squeeze the brush to get into small crevices around the nose and around the forehead. Make sure to blend all the way down into the neck. Then I'm going to go back with the Bright Eyes Concealer again and blend down into her cheekbone. This gives a soft, natural highlight and doesn't leave you with any white circles under your eyes. I'm now going to set the concealer with Bright Eyes setting powder using the large dome brush, gently patting the powder underneath her eyes to give full coverage. This will make your concealer last all day without creasing. Now I'm using blonde mineral powder with the large dome brush to set the rest of her face, gently patting and blending it all the way down into her neckline and around her forehead. For her eyes, I'm using the Blushing Bride palette. I've already used the skin tone color as a base on her eyes. Now I'm using the soft brown color with the medium blending brush as a crease color. I'm softly blending it up into her crease with little circles just to warm up her crease and give her some depth. Now I switched to the medium crease brush to add a little bit of the darker chocolate color into her crease. This will add more depth and enhance her eyes. For her brows, I'm using the Brunette Precision Brow Pencil. I like to start by drawing a line to outline the bottom of the brows, then softly blend up from there until you get the thickness that you want. Now I'm using Black Silk Cream Liner with the angled liner brush. I start on the outside because that's where you want the line to be the thickest and work in. I like to start by pushing the product into her lash line to use as a starting point, and then you can build from there to make your eyeliner as thick as you want to. Next, I'm using Luxury Mascara. I like to tease the mascara at the root of the lash. This will give you extra volume and make your lash line look really thick. Contouring is a must at any age. I'm using the Baked Bronzer with the angled contour brush and making a half moon shape around her cheekbones, starting at her ear. Then I always use the excess product to contour around your nose, around your forehead, and under your neck. Then I'm going to use Hibiscus Baked Blush with the same angled contour brush and put the blush right inside the bronzer on her cheekbones. A great tip for big eyes is to use Noir gel eyeliner in your waterline on your top eyelid. It really enhances your eyes. It also gives a lot of depth. Next, I'm using the same chocolate brown color I used on her eyes with a Precision Bullet Brush and gently dabbing it underneath her waterline and blending it. For her lips, I'm going to use the Vanilla Latte combo. This includes Spiced Out Liner, Angelina Lipstick, and Lip Juice. First, I apply the liner and follow her natural lip line. Then I simply apply the Angelina inside of the liner. I always like to go back with the liner after and reapply, so if you want to overdraw it to give it some fullness, this is a great time to do it. Lastly, some lip juice and she's ready to go.